Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. Markets ended mixed today with the small cap Russell 2000, the only major U.S. index, closing higher. The S&P 500, Dow, and tech-heavy NASDAQ all closed less than 0.5% lower. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, just 3 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with energy up by the most, followed by utilities and materials. To the downside, industrials was the biggest laggard, followed by tech and real estate. Looking at some stocks on the move, news in the airline sector today. United Airlines shares slipped around 3% on news that the FAA would increase its oversight of the company after a high rate of safety problems. Boeing, on the other hand, saw some recovery. The stock climbed more than 1% on news of a significant leadership shakeup, which includes CEO Dave Calhoun announcing plans to step down at the end of the year. Disney's also facing tensions around a leadership shakeup as the proxy battle around the entertainment company rages on. Trian reaffirmed its stance to nominate Nelson Peltz and former Disney CFO Jay Rasulo to the board today. While shareholder Blackwell's Capital released a letter in opposition to Peltz's nomination, Blackwell's joins the opinion of several other shareholders, including George Lucas, who last week issued a statement in support of Bob Iger. Disney shares also hit a new 52-week high today as Barclays upgraded the stock to overweight from equal weight and boosted the price target to $135 from $95 a share. And finally, chip makers Intel and AMD were hit with a ban from the Chinese government today, which would bar any purchases of the chips for government use. Both stocks slipped on the news, and then they found some recovery later in the day, however, still closed in the red. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. We'll see some data from durable goods, the FHFA house price index, and consumer confidence. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.